Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to give you a very informative information regarding the WBJ 2023 counseling guys. Okay, so in this video I will give you complete detail about that what are the important documents that you will require during the WBJ 2023 counseling guys. Okay, remember guys, these documents are very important, so you must have an idea that what are the documents required and you have to prepare this all document before the commencement of the WBJ 2023 counseling guys. Okay, because when the counseling will be started you will not get any further extension time. Okay, so you have to be very careful about this guys. Okay, so I will tell you all means for the candidates who are not belonging to the WBJ or for the candidates who are not belonging to the West Bengal means outside of West Bengal, and for the candidates who are in the West Bengal, okay, means which belong to the West Bengal guys. Okay, so before we move to the video guys, if you are new to my channel, must support my channel for getting such informative video, and must join the WhatsApp group, especially for the WBJ 2023 group, where you will get all updates regarding the WBJ counseling and further important tips and tricks there guys. Okay, so must subscribe the channel and join the WhatsApp group guys. Okay, because you will get full support during the counseling, and not only during the counseling but after getting to the college too. Okay, now guys, coming to the important point, that what are the important documents that you will require. Okay, so guys, here you can clearly visualize what are the various documents that you will require. Okay, so first of all, candidate must carry following documents in original and one self-attested copy of each. Okay, so you have to carry one original document and one self-attested copy. I think that you have clear cut idea that what is self-attested copy. सिर्फ आपका डॉक्यूमेंट वही रहेगा, उसमें आपको भी सिर्फ लिखना होगा सेल्फ अटेस्टेड, एंड यू हैव टू डू द सिग्नेचर एंड डेट. ओके, सो दैट इज द सेल्फ अटेस्टेड कॉपी गाइस. ओके, नाउ व्हाट आर द डॉक्यूमेंट दैट रिक्वायर. सो डॉक्यूमेंट नंबर 1, all candidates means either you are belonging to the West Bengal or outside of the West Bengal. Okay, so सभी candidates को class 10th admit card और birth certificate for the verification of date of birth guys. Here guys, you have to remember important things, that it is not necessary that you must have a 10th class 10th admit card. Okay, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन, ओके सॉरी, कोई भी गवर्नमेंट डॉक्यूमेंट जिससे आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ वेरीफाई हो सके, आइदर यू कैन से आधार कार्ड और नॉट आधार कार्ड मीन्स बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट और सम अदर certificate where there is a basically relation of the your birth. Okay, so you have to produce all that guys. Okay, but I hope that you must have preserved the class 10th admit card. Okay, so you will require, all candidates will require class 10th admit card for the validity of the birth certificate guys. Okay, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट डॉक्यूमेंट गाइस, दैट इज ऑल कैंडिडेट क्लास 10th मार्कशीट. ओके, सो आपको क्लास 10th का मार्कशीट चाहिए होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट गाइस, दैट इज द ऑल कैंडिडेट्स क्लास 12th मार्कशीट. ओके, रिमेंबर गाइस, ड्यूरिंग द fulfilling of the form, or you can say during the registration for the WBJ counseling, you have to fill all the document very carefully. आपको हर एक डॉक्यूमेंट का जो भी मार्क्स है या जो भी सब्जेक्ट है आपको ध्यान से करना होगा, क्योंकि WBI विल नॉट अलाउ एनी मॉडिफिकेशन. ओके, एक बार अगर हुआ तो एक बार दे सकते हैं, बट फर्दर आपको एक्सटेंशन नहीं मिलेगा कि या यू कैन चेंज इट. ओके, तो अगर आपने इन्फॉर्मेशन मिसपेल्ड लिखा है, देन यू मे फेस प्रॉब्लम ड्यूरिंग द WBI काउंसलिंग, और आपका बेसिकली हो सकता है जो कॉलेज अलॉट हुआ वो भी आपको हट सकता है. ओके, सो रिमेंबर गाइज, एंड यू हैव टू वेरी केयरफुल गाइज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट these are the documents that will require for the all candidates. Okay, and these are the only document that will require by the, what can we say, outside of the West Bengal. Now coming to the West Bengal domicile candidates, so these are the documents that will require all candidates. Okay, and for the West Bengal candidates except this, if you are the OCI candidate, then you must have OCI certificate. आपको OCI certificate रहना चाहिए. देन WBJ domicile candidates, अगर आप कोई भी सेक्शन में या कोई भी सेक्शन के थ्रू रिजर्वेशन लेना चाहते हैं, ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू टेक द और अवेल द फैसिलिटी ऑफ द रिजर्वेशन, देन यू मस्ट हैव डोमिसाइल सर्टिफिकेट. अगर आपका डोमिसाइल सर्टिफिकेट बाय द वे नहीं रहा और नहीं बन पाया, देन यू विल कंसिडर्ड एज अ जनरल कैंडिडेट्स, और यू कैन से considered as a candidate not belonging to West Bengal, and you will be treated as generally. Okay, so you will not get any benefit of reservation guys. Okay, coming to the important document number 6, that is the SC, ST, OBCA, OBCB candidates. Okay, so if you are belonging to SC candidates, ST candidates, OBCA, OBCB, and you want to take the reservation guys, means you will get relief in the, what can we say, overall GMR. Okay, means during the counseling, then you must have these certificate guys. आपको ये certificate must होना चाहिए. अगर आपने तक नहीं बनाया, then try to prepare as soon as possible. Okay, because when the WBA result will be announced, then after few, or you can say after 3 to 4 days, they will announce the date of counseling. Okay, so you will not get further extension of time guys. Okay, so remember this very important point. नेक्स्ट फॉर द PWD कैंडिडेट्स, अगर आप PWD कैंडिडेट्स लेना चाहते हैं, जैसे जादवपुर में कुछ सीट रिजर्व है PW कैंडिडेट्स, एंड अदर गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज में PWD कैंडिडेट्स के लिए सीट रिजर्व है, देन you must produce the PWD certificate, okay, as section 5.4 that I have already talked in the previous videos guys. Okay, next for the TFW candidates, आपका TFW certificate valid रहना चाहिए. Okay, so these are the document that you will require, except that no any document you will require guys. Okay, yeah, at the time of taking admission, अगर आप admission लेना चाहते हैं then some extra document means require हो सकता है, such as the migration certificate and various other things that I will make a particular video according to that. But आपको WBG काउंसलिंग में बस इतना ही डॉक्यूमेंट रिक्वायर होगा. एंड गाइस यू हैव टू गो टू द कॉलेज फॉर द डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. ओके, सो खासकर मैं उन कैंडिडेट्स को मैं चाहता हूँ जिनका घर दूर है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दैट. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू गो physically to the college for the document verification, and document verification is very very important part, okay, for taking admission to WBJ college. Okay, so these are the document. Again around that guys, that if you will not produce any document then you will consider as general candidates. Okay, and you will not be categorized as a, basically you can say reserve quota, or you can say TFW candidates or SC/ST candidates. Okay, so these are the important things that you should keep in eye. Okay, and one things I want to tell to all the students, those students who are basically intense getting college, no need to worry about that. Just believe on me and believe on the God, and just you try to focus on these things, and you just focus on your study. If you want the CSC, IT or any other branch of engineering, then you have to be prepare for the coding and all things. So start the some basic coding language, C++, any coding language. Okay, because these are the precious time. Don't waste your precious time guys. Okay, so these are the things I want to tell. Again saying, must join my WhatsApp group, and if for any candidates who want to take direct admission in any WJ college, feel free to contact us. We provide full support to you. Okay, till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.